Dumo. This symbol is produced Dumo, also known as Tibetan master symbol or Tibetan Daikomyo. It represents the swirling fiery heat of the Kundalini. Dumo or Dumo fire is the heat which ascends over the spine as a result of Kundalini awakening. The unification of mind and body produces the emanation of heat. Heat is the lowest range of vibration radiating out to produce form, body. Dumo is the igniter of the sacred flame or Kundalini fire. Dumo unifies the mind and body and works with the fire in the base chakra. Dumo pulls negative energies and diseases out of a body, room, situation and release it. It is thought to heal the soul, bring spiritual growth. It can be used on crystals to self-clear. Dumo's main focus is healing. It is used in the attunement process with violet breath, where it is visualized in gold. It is not the goddess spiral used in Wiccan-based faiths.